we're going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread it all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that everything is planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Remember, the New World Order book is going to show you how the world really works. Also, those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. And then also those who are shopping at both stores, much love, keep it coming. And guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. And we are in the weekend. We have Bitcoin Miami going on, but we have no what? Volume. And right now, the market is flat. Sunday night going into Monday, I definitely see us picking up. Remember, guys, we definitely have open interest, but when it comes to Bitcoin and Ethereum, it is definitely mixed. So we have some puts on Ethereum. Also, guys, we know the open interest for Bitcoin is not as high, but we're expecting this. We already know this. We know the Fed wants to pull back. So we're not going to get those big pumps, but we will move up. The video I did last night, what Kevin O'Leary stated, he wants volatility. And those who have been with me since 2020, that's all I preach. And because we're going into the bear market, there's going to be plenty of opportunities for you to make money. I'm not your financial advisor, not financial advice. Please do your own research. But guys, make sure you are paying attention to the actual volume, Tether, and USDC. And like I had advised you guys, this article states if USDC stays at the pace that it is now, it will pass Tether next year. And remember, I've been telling you this. Remember what Brian Brooks stated in the interview with Circle's Jeremy, stated they were working on the global stablecoin. So definitely, guys, USDC is not moving up at the rate it's moving for no reason. We know the US dollar is not going anywhere. It's just going to be tokenized, but it is going to take a back seat to the Asian connection, the rise of China. Now, do not forget about the Fed. The Fed as advisors, they're going to be closing down that corporate facility, buying ETFs, buying bonds. So, guys, we know we're going to be headed down the second half. The Fed has not lied to us not one time. They've told us the truth the whole time. Only thing we have to do is follow the blueprint. Plus, guys, we have grayscale. Do not forget, the lockup period ends anyway, end of June, early July. And then plus the amount of assets they have is definitely going to swing the market. Now, getting over into a little crypto news, guys. We know that we have Bitcoin Miami 2021 going on. Now, we have Jack Dorsey says Square may do a Bitcoin hardware wallet. And guys, we know that all of these banks are going to eventually tie a wallet to your actual bank account. And then again, they will control these hardware wallets. And then also, guys, we have social applications are the next big trend in crypto. And what have I talked about time and time again? We know that social platform is going to get us moved over to tokenization. And that's the reason why Facebook is so important. And then when you attach Facebook DM, you're looking at Web 3.0 is definitely coming. So if you look at Facebook, Facebook has, of course, the social platform. They have the money now. And then when you top on virtual reality, which is that finishing touch that the New World Order really wants to bring in. And if you look at television, television changes the whole perception of reality. We know this. That's the reason why the masses are asleep. Can you imagine when virtual reality comes in? You're not going to be able to tell what's real versus what's fake. And the enjoyment that's going to come out of that, people are not going to care. But also, guys, we have China launches new copyright protection on blockchain. And we know everything that we can think of is definitely going to be tokenized and put on blockchain. Smart contracts, that is definitely the future. And then lastly, guys, we have the U.S. Senate Banking Committee to hold virtual hearings on central bank digital currencies. And we know that central bank digital currencies are illegal. That's the reason why they had to put Janet Yellen in charge of the actual Treasury, because we know Treasury actually controls our money. The Fed just controls the supply. The Fed has never had their own money. They're just controlling the supply. But we know the New World Order's end game. Those SDRs wasn't sitting there this whole time for any reason. That digital SDR is going to give them total control. And of course, they'll have the digital yuan and the United States digital currency. And they'll be able to control both with that digital SDR. And they will be able to see everything you buy, and they will be able to control everything that you buy. And remember, the crypto teacher told you. Now, with the Senate banking hearing, you know you're going to hear the Hegelian dialectic. Some are going to be for it, some are going to be with it. But just like the Federal Reserve in 1913, it's going to get pushed through. Why? Because look at this economy right now. All these people out of work. And we know what's coming. The people are going to beg for that free money, and they're going to airdrop them that free money. But we have the robots and AI that's going to come and take 50 to 60% of these jobs. And the people are going to fall for it. Remember what the New World Order does. They create the problem, wait for the reaction, and run in with the solution. And right now, we're just waiting on the reaction because all these people's free money runs out September 6th. Some of them are going to be running out this month, but majority September 6th. The people are going to beg for this money. The money is ready to be handed out. But like David from R3 said, we can airdrop the money to boost the economy. But they have 3 to 6 months to spend this money, or poof, it's gone. Because remember, when it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Cryptoteacher stock channel. Do not forget, you have your Cobalt, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming. While everybody's sitting at home, got that home stocks of Xrp, the biotech stocks. And while everybody's at home getting free money or waiting on that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks. And y'all have a wonderful day.